In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your video. Okay, if you are a busy type and you always want your videos to be dropping at a particular time of the day, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your video. So we are going to be logging into your YouTube from the Chrome browser with your laptop, or if you don't have a laptop, with your phone. Okay, go ahead and put in every detail for your video, your title, your description, um your thumbnail, your playlist, and every other thing that you need to put, your tags. Okay, remember to always put tags and every other thing that's needed for this video. If you are monetized, go ahead and set the monetization, and then go ahead and put the video elements. I have done a video on how you can put your video elements, which I'm going to link here. Then go ahead and check for copyright and ad stability. I don't have any issue. If you are monetized, if you are not monetized, you're not going to be seeing this part. Okay, then go ahead and go to visibility. So if you want to actually if you want to make only you to be seeing the video, you have to leave it in private. Okay, if you leave it in private, it's only the person you share the video to, that's the only person that can see the video. Okay, if you leave it on unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch it. Okay, if you unlist it, anybody that has the video link can watch it. Okay, then if you can also post for only members, and then if you post it in public, everybody will see your video. So always remember, when you are posting and you want everybody to watch your video, post it in public. But if you want to schedule your video, you don't want your video to play right now, the next thing you're going to do, come down here, you're going to see schedule, and then click on this drop down here. Click on the drop down. It's going to bring out the dates for you. Okay, this is December 4th 2024, and you can actually come here and select any date you want this video to play, whether you want it on the 4th, 5th, 6th. Just select any date you want that video to go live. Okay, so I want this video to go live on today, which is 3rd of December, and then I want it to go live. The time now is 12:40. Okay, let me assume that I want this video to go live by 1 p.m. So I'm going to come over here and select 1 p.m. Okay, so and then once I'm done, I'm going to check everything and make sure that everything is right in this video. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to click on schedule. Okay, so it's going to schedule, and then once it's 1 p.m. my video will go live and everybody will see the video. So this is actually how you schedule your videos. So I'm going to go over here now and click on schedule. Can you see your video will be set to public on December 3rd 2024 at 1 p.m. So once it's 1 p.m. this video will go live. So this is how you actually schedule your video on YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you find value in my video, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your bell notification. Thank you.